Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple, wonderful and very natural remedy that you can prepare in the comfort of your home. This remedy is going to serve you as a conditioner. It's going to condition your hair, leaving it healthy, moisturized and balanced. Instead of using all these stored, already made or manufactured conditioners around, you can just prepare this in the comfort of your home using all 100% natural ingredients. So if this is your first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. If you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends and loved ones if it is useful and helpful to you in any ways. So let's get started. Orange juice. Orange juice is rich in so many healthy nutrients and minerals. It's rich in vitamin C and it's going to help brighten your hair. It's going to help get rid of any kind of itching and dandruff from your scalp. It's going to soften your hair and it's going to condition your hair. Orange is going to help balance the pH level of your scalp and it's going to give your scalp all the nourishing nutrients. Pure honey. Honey is rich in antibacterial properties, it's rich in antifungal properties, it's also very rich in antiseptic properties. Honey is going to help get rid of all the dirt from your clogged pores by drawing out all the toxins and impurities, giving you a cleansed and nurtured scalp. Water is very healthy, it's very important for our growth. It's going to help soothe your scalp and moisturize your scalp. So here I have my washed orange, so I need just half of it. So we'll just extract the juice. So here is our orange juice. So we'll just add it to our mixing bowl. Add half tablespoon of honey, half tablespoon. We'll just stir this till well combined, the honey and the orange juice. We'll stir it completely. So now we'll add the water. You just need half mug. So we'll stir it. And our hair conditioner is ready. So guys, before you use this remedy, you wash your hair with your normal shampoo, then you pat dry your hair, then you apply this remedy on your hair. You partition your hair into small portions and massage this into your scalp and make sure your entire hair is soaked with this. You leave it on for 30 minutes before you wash it off with water. You repeat this twice a week for about 3 to 4 weeks for an excellent result. More so, if you want, you can apply this on your scalp and leave it on overnight. Then you put on a shower cap, then you wash it off in the morning. So this is going to help get rid of any kind of itching from your scalp. It's going to prevent split ends. It's going to improve the health of your hair and your scalp generally. It's going to moisturize your hair. It's going to nourish your hair, and you can store the leftover in your fridge for not more than 2 weeks, at most 2 weeks, and you continue this for 3 to 4 weeks. Then you'll see an excellent change in the growth and the health of your hair. So guys, I hope this video was helpful and useful. Share with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new, interesting and useful videos like this on this channel. Click on the subscribe button and give us a huge thumbs up if you liked this video. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.